IoT mobile platform. General info about the cloud. With our knowledge of IoT devices, we've developed the M2H Cloud's data structure so it can flexibly provide users' requirements while maintaining high security standards. Thanks to the special modules which we developed to be simple and tailored to your needs, M2H will help you integrate your smart devices in the home, the office, or administration buildings. Using the M2H platform, you can control a device from a single mobile application. The very first part of the cloud system is a field zone. The field zone consists of end devices and connector gateways installed in the field. This leads to different methods of data processing in the real-time zone. Real-time zone. The real-time zone is a scalable SW module which provides constant connection with every single device. This zone holds thousands, even millions of devices online and offers real-end device feedback in a couple of seconds, usually up to 3 seconds. Data zone. The data zone is based on a robust database engine which is able to serve millions of requests per second. The data flow is controlled by a broker, which helps to optimize computing power. Application zone. The applications running on the server serve the interface through the APIs and create a security barrier between the core data and the outer world. The application itself provides the basic functionality in the way of implementation of the customer's use case. Interface zone. The interface zone provides data access based on the REST API. Based on the platform of the final application such as iOS, Android or desktop, the provided API obviously differs. Cloud HMI. When using the API interface, we offer different kind of information access based on the roles. The basic divisions we use are the customer role, partner role, vendor role, and service role. When using HMI, we apply read-back strategy, which means that the visualized information on the screen is already verified and passed through the whole cloud system to the device. SMS subsystem. Based on previous experiences, we decided to build up SMS infrastructure all around the world. Nowadays, we have roughly 50 SMS gateways running in more than 50 countries. It helps us to offer security verification backup channel and to get better latencies in communication when needed. M2H.